What's up YouTube? It's Holly Pocket. Today I am going to give you a closet tour. I rearranged my whole bedroom and I did post a updated room tour, but I changed my closet when I did that, and so I'm going to show you an updated closet tour as well. So let's get started. Here's my closet door, and I keep my bathrobe on the back of here just so that I can grab it easily. It's right next to my bed. And here is my closet. So on the back of my door, I just keep this hook up here. I have no idea where it's from. We've had it for so long. You can probably get one at like Walmart or the Container Store or something like that. And I just have this dress on the back that I need to try on. It's from Forever 21. Super cute. All of my hangers are the slim black velvet ones. I got mine at Walmart, but you can get them on Amazon or pretty much anywhere these days. I also have this little thing on the back of my doorknob. I got it at Joann's. I think it's supposed to be a curtain tie back, but I don't know. When I was a kid, I always thought these were so cool and I always wanted one. So I got myself one, and it's been moved all over the place, but this is where it lives right now. Here is kind of an overview of my closet. If you can kind of see, I have a nice walk-in closet. I love it. It's so nice. I did move my bookshelf in here. In my last room tour, it was out in my room, but I have so many books and so much stuff on it. It gets cluttered really easily, even if it's just books on it. So I just put it in my closet so that I could still have easy access to it, but it wouldn't look so crazy in my all white bedroom. Up on top, you can see up here, there's like a curtain rod back there. I used to hang my hats on it, but because I have stuff on top of this bookshelf, there's not room. But there's one of my hats and all my yearbooks and some of my like pictures and stuff from cheer and some poms. The top shelf is all of my Harry Potter books. If you know me, you know that I love Harry Potter. And that is the empty Gilly Water from Universal Studios. And then this is just a book that my cousin sent me when my mom and my sister went to Canada, and she sent that back for me. So I'm excited to read that. Then I have some of my other books, the Bible and my study Bible, and all of like a book with all of the extra text in it because I studied the Bible a little bit in college. And I have some etiquette books, like vintage ones, because I think it's super interesting how like the traditions and stuff changed. And my little Buddha, I think I got him at like a little shop in Old Town. I don't remember. Then I just have these like little figurines. These two were my mom's when she was a kid, and I've had them in like my bedroom since I was a baby. This is a Christmas ornament from Target, and so is this one. I just thought they were super cute and I just want them around all the time. And then this is a little elephant. I think it's rose quartz. I think my mom brought it back on one of her business trips. I want to say China. I'm not sure. My next shelf is, oop, focus. Okay. Some of my like different like books about veganism and just like self-help kind of books here. And then this is my little troll. She doesn't have a name. And then this Mosaic Mirror that I made in Girl Scouts in like 4th or 5th grade, and a sand dollar. And then this is Doggy. She's the best. She was my lovey when I was a little baby. And then I have a lot of like biography, autobiography type books. And then a couple old planners from past years, just because I put a lot of work into them. So I like to hang on to them. It's nice to be able to look back at different memories, and then especially like if I need to reference like when I did something, then I have like a record of it, and it's easy to like find that info if I really need it. The next shelf is my photo styling portfolio and like some textbooks, some fashion books, this little pineapple that I got at Home Goods like a zillion years ago. This is a little like crystal ashtray, and it just has seashells in it that, oh, it won't focus. These is just like little seashells from walking on the beach. And then this is all of my DVDs. I took them out of the cases and I put them in these books, and then they're all just like organized in here. And then these are just a couple that aren't in there. The next is books, just like a lot of chapter books and stuff. And these, I think these were my mom's when she was a kid too. Another thing that I've had like since I was a baby. Back here is like a lot of classics. I love to read. There's more books down here and some journals. This, my cousin in Iran gave me this. Isn't that pretty? And back here is a carousel that my grandma gave me for Christmas one year, and she has passed on, so this is really special to me. You can wind it up and it plays the song from the musical Carousel, which if you haven't seen that movie, it's really good. Then here is a picture of my parents that my mom gave to me for Christmas. She was just being funny, but I actually really love it. My dad always waves in pictures, and it's like kind of a joke in our family now. I love it. They're so cute. Here's more books, more books, more books. I haven't read all of these, but I have the intention to read all of them at some point. Down here on the bottom is, these are just like some magazines. And then this is all of the September Vogues that I have. I'm missing a couple years. Like I need 2005, 6, and 7 to make it like complete from when I started collecting, but I guess I missed a couple years. Then these are like the more recent ones, and then I have like some photo albums, and then just like some little keepsake books from when I was in school. Like this is like the ones we did in cheer. We made these little scrapbook things. So that's everything that's on my bookshelf. It's a lot of stuff. And I just have this little like leopard stool down here. I mostly have it here because it doesn't fit anywhere else, but it's actually really handy because I have so much stuff that's like high up, so it's easier to reach it. Up here on the left side, I have a bunch of my heels and boots of all of these. These are like more spring ones or ones that I don't wear often, and then these are the ones that I've been wearing more lately, and just my little pink dog over there. I'll just like change these out when it gets warmer out. I'll bring the spring ones down. And then this is this is my very first pair of shoes that I ever had when I was a baby. My dad gave them to me a couple years ago, so I just keep them right here with all the rest of my shoes. Above my door, I have my cheer bow wreath. I did make a DIY video for how I made this. It's up still, I think. But I have a million cheer bows, and I don't ever wear them, but I think they're so pretty, so I like to keep them. Back on this side, so underneath all my shoes is jackets. I have so many jackets. I love jackets. I love outerwear. I don't know why, but I have all these little like slim hangers, and I'm trying to fit as many in here as I can. I have way too many clothes, but let's not go there. I do hang up like all of my hoodies and my sweatshirts and stuff. They take up a lot of space when you fold them. And if they're folded, then I'm less likely to wear them because I can't see them. And then I just keep my extra hangers down here, and I have this little hook thing in the wall, and I keep my like smaller shoulder purses on. And like my best friend Katie gave me this Coach clutch a few years ago, and it has like a, because I use this to go to the gym. And then I have some like lanyards from like stuff that I've gone to, like cheer competitions and like EDC. And then my ukulele is right here. I started learning how to play it, and then I quit practicing, but she's still here and I'm gonna learn. Over here on the other side, up top, over here is my suitcase. And it has a dust bag, so you can't really see it, but it's my suitcase, and then any other travel bags or like travel things that I have are inside of that. And then my little neck pillow right here, it's shaped like a peach. I think it's so cute. Then over here, I have a lot of my bags. They're kind of crammed in there right now because I need to get rid of some. Up top is my visor that I got in Iran. So that's kind of crammed in there. I need to organize these a little bit better because this is not a good way to store purses. So this is all bags, and then this little clear bag came from like a Juicy Couture perfume set or something, but inside of there I have like wallets or like small bags that fold up in there. And then over here I have clutches. This is like a little shelf riser thing from IKEA. I think they still have these, but that helps everything stay a little more organized here. Then I have my sorority paddle hung up in here. I was only in my sorority for 1 year, but I loved it. It was fun. It was the only thing I really liked about school back then. But I made this for myself. I don't know why, but I just wanted one, so I made one. On this side of my closet, hanging all the way in the back, is my wetsuit back here, and then I have like a onesie, and then after that it's long dresses and stuff. So it's like maxi dresses, regular dresses. I have a couple pairs of pants hung up, some skirts, sweaters, sweatshirts, long sleeves, short sleeves, tanks. I have a lot of my summer clothes put away right now, and all my sweaters are out, but I will be swapping those in a couple months. Then on the end here, I have this duck, and I got this. I don't remember if it was like Salvation Army. I think it was like a church thrift shop, but he's cute. Just have him hung up here, and then he holds my belts and this Alabama necklace thing from a football game. And then there's more stuff down here. So underneath my jackets, I have this little cube furniture thing from Target, and I keep all of my records down here. I do collect records. I don't have a lot of room to collect more. Then this square has all of my jeans folded. And then this is a box. I have a couple records up here that I'm not ready to file away yet because I have them all in order. This has my like fur collar wrap thing in here. This is like I think this is a Louis Vuitton box, but it's from, my cousin came here and bought a purse, and then she let me have the box. Okay, I can't do this with one hand. And then back here in the corner, I have this bin, this like wire bin thing, and it has all of my sandals and flip-flops, and there's a couple pairs of slippers back there. Then on the other side, I have, sorry, it's so hard to fit everything in here. On the other side, under all my other clothes, I have my hamper. I like the kinds that have a lid on them, just because it keeps it looking neater. And then back here, I have my cheer ladder from when I was in high school. This stool is like great, but sometimes you need something a little bit taller. So I keep that up here just so I can reach stuff. And then I have this shoe rack, which is from Walmart. I want to say it was only like 10 bucks. I don't like it. I want to get a better one, but the one I want is like 70 bucks, and I can't justify spending that much right now. So I have to deal with my crappy $10 shoe rack, but that's okay. I just have too many shoes. I don't recommend this one. These things like twist and then everything falls down, and once one thing falls down, they all fall down. My terrible sad life, right? First world problems. Anyway, here's half of my shoes. It goes like further back behind there, but I'm not going to show you because I have clothes in the way, and I'm scared that all these shoes are going to fall off. That's my closet. I hope you like it. I hope you are not judging me for having too many clothes, because I do. If you have any questions about where anything's from, if I forgot to say something, just leave a comment and I will answer that for sure. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. If you're watching this, I love you and have a great day. Bye.